Hi lovelies, it's Breezy Girl here, back again with another video. So today I'm super excited because I am going to be showing you how I use Aussie products in my hair. I went and got pretty much everything that they had in the Aussie hair care line. I'm going to show you the products that I'm using, how I apply them, and the final end result. So if you want to see how I fix my hair with Aussie, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I was totally geeking out when I got my package because I pretty much, like I said, I got pretty much everything from their line. The only two things that I didn't get was a deep mask and their purple shampoo, but I am going to be getting those in like a day or two. But I did get the Miracle Curl line, pretty much majority of it, and I'm just gonna show you one by one what I use, and let's just jump right to it. So the first thing, of course, is it's wash day. I cleaned my hair out, so that's what my hair looks like. There's no products in here. So what I did was I bought the Aussie Miracle Moist Shampoo. Now this is with avocado and jojoba oil. So that's what that looks like right here. And this smells so amazing, you guys, and it's not a very thick consistency. It's super moisturizing for my hair, and I love it. And I have been using this product now for like about 2 weeks now, so it's been so far so good, and I'm loving it. So after shampooing my hair and cleansing out the scalp, I use the 3-minute Miracle Curls deep conditioner. So this is with coconut and jojoba oil, and this says it's also paraben free, and this is a pretty thick conditioner, but super hydrating, so you can see what it looks like, and it smells so amazing. And how I use this is I'll pump like maybe 3 or 4 in my hand, and then I'll just rake it in my hair, and then I will clip it with one of my hair clips, and then I'll put a hair mask, a shower cap actually, and that way the natural heat will moisturize my hair while I'm doing other things in the shower. It says you only need to leave this deep conditioner in your hair for 3 minutes, but I do it much longer. I'm doing other things, like whether it's like, you know, cleaning my bathroom or shaving, whatever it may be, I do definitely leave it for at least 5 to maybe 10 minutes. I don't know. But this, I rinse this off completely after like the dedicated time, and it just comes off smoothly, and my hair feels so soft after I've already used the 3-minute Miracle Curls. So thank you for being made. And then I did also buy a leave-in conditioner. So I bought the Miracle Curls leave-in detangling milk. So that's what this looks like right here. And I don't always use this leave-in conditioner, and I have stated that in one of my videos that I don't usually leave-in conditioner. I only use it when I have to, and that's only when I feel like my hair needs extra moisturizing, because again, this is a leave-in conditioner. It's gonna make your hair over moisturized, and I don't like that feeling, so I kind of will only use this when it is needed. But this also smells amazing. It has, again, coconut and jojoba oil. This one says that it's sulfate and dye-free. And this is, I'll show you a little bit of it, what it looks like. So it's a little thick, but not too thick, and it smells really amazing too. So yeah, only I use this when it's needed. So I'm actually gonna skip this step. So I'm not gonna use this right now because my hair doesn't feel super dry right now. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Okay, so after shampoo and conditioner, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply my curl cream. You guys, I am geeking out over this cream, this curl cream, because it is like second best from the Curlsmith that I normally use, and like a fraction of the price. I have not found a really good curl cream other than the Curlsmith Featherlight Protein Cream, and this is definitely comparable to it. I'm so glad that they made this because, again, it's a fraction of the price and it works and it does what it's supposed to. And FYI, this video is not sponsored, okay? I just got all this stuff with my own money. And that's how much I like this brand. But Aussie, if you're watching, I am definitely willing to have a collaboration with you because I swear by your stuff. Like, I love it. It doesn't do anything to my hair. It doesn't give me flakes. It's amazing. So anyway, back to the miracle curls. So I'm going to apply some of this on here and I'm going to section my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished putting all the curl cream in my hair, and again, I am so thankful that they made this because, again, it is fraction of the price than the Curlsmith, and I love it. So, on to gel. So again, I'm still using the Instant Freeze Aussie gel, the 20-hour max hold. So I'm going to actually flip my hair over, and I'm going to apply it all over my hair, and I'm going to scrunch. So I'm going to scrunch upside down first, and then I'm going to scrunch left and then right. So I will be right back. Okay, so I just finished putting my gel. This is the Aussie Instant Freeze. So I'm gonna let this gel cast form for about a good 10 minutes before I start diffusing, because that way it will air dry for a little bit and the gel will form, the gel cast will form. And then that way when I diffuse it, it will be much more curlier. But while I'm letting this sit for a little bit, I did also buy the hairspray for, like, you know, when I put my hair up and I need a little bit of hairspray. So I bought the Headstrong Volume hairspray from Aussie as well. This is a big old bottle. And this one has bamboo and Australian Kakudu plum. This is the maximum hold. So yeah, brand new as well. And I have been using that and I love it so far as well. The next one is something that you already have seen me use, but I'm not going to use it on my hair today because this is just a curl refresher. So again, this is the Aussie Curl Miracle Curl Refresher. We're not using that because it's for more for like day 2 and day 3 hair. And then I also still have my oil, so you guys have seen that. And I bought something else and I'm going to show you that towards the end, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just finished diffusing my hair and this is what it looks like. I still have to scrunch out the crunch, so I'm gonna put in my oil and let me know if you guys are a big Aussie fan, if you've been using Aussie forever. I don't know why I would just bypass this product every time I would go to the store or online, but I have started following them on social media, so that way I am informed with all their new products, because I definitely definitely want to keep trying everything that they have. And leave a comment if you've had a bad experience with it, a good experience. I want to know the deets. And yeah, if you found this video informative, definitely don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let me scrunch out this crunch and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I finally put in my oil and I took out all that gel cast, and this is what it looks like. So you can see my hair is curly, it's bouncy, and there's another part that I didn't show you that I purchased, but let me just show you what it looks like in the back so you can see. So there's that. I am digging it. I love it. I'm so glad that I found this product. And the last product that I purchased before we end this video is this thing from Aussie called Flora Aura. It's a scent boost. That's all it does. Doesn't do anything else but gives your hair a perfume scent, and it smells amazing. And I didn't really know when to incorporate this during my routine, but I figured that I would do it at the end after I've already diffused. So I'll spray a couple of these around my hair, let that dry out, and every time I walk into a room, people are always like, who smells so good? Who is wearing perfume? What are you wearing? I'm telling you, it is amazing stuff. And I just bought it because I wanted to be extra. But again, I'm so glad that I showed you how I use these products. Definitely let me know again if this has worked out for you. And I can't wait to catch up with you guys again. Till next time, bye!